Having restless nights? Unable to fall asleep or fall asleep quickly? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most effective ways to help you sleep better. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use ambient sound to help you sleep. Getting enough sleep is incredibly important for our health and well-being, and sometimes we need a little help to drift off into a peaceful slumber. That's where ambient sound comes in. Ambient sounds can help us relax and create a calming environment for us to fall asleep in. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose your ambient sound. The first step in using ambient sound to help you sleep better is choosing the right sound. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Some popular options include rainfall, waves crashing on the shore, white noise, and nature sounds like bird songs or crickets. There are plenty of YouTube channels that offer free ambient sound recordings to help you sleep, so take some time to explore and find what works for you. Step 2. Set the volume. Once you've chosen your ambient sound, it's important to set the volume at the right level. You don't want it to be too loud, as that can be just as disruptive as no sound at all. Ideally, you want the volume to be just loud enough that it masks any background noise, but not so loud that it keeps you awake. Experiment with different volumes to find the right one for you. Step 3. Use headphones. If you're sharing a room with someone else, or if you find that the ambient sound isn't loud enough, you might want to consider using headphones. Make sure you choose comfortable headphones that won't disturb your sleep. There are even headphones specifically designed for sleep that are made with soft materials and have flat, flexible speakers that won't dig into your ears. See the link in the description below for a list of highly rated sleep headphones. Step 4. Set a timer. Finally, it's a good idea to set a timer for your ambient sound. You don't want it to play all night long, as that can interfere with your natural sleep cycles. Set the timer for 30 minutes to an hour and see how it works for you. If you find that you need it for longer, you can always adjust the timer accordingly. So there you have it. Using ambient sound to help you sleep better is an easy and effective way to create a relaxing environment for yourself. Remember to choose the right sound, set the volume at the right level, consider using headphones, and set a timer. With these simple tips, you'll be on your way to a better night's sleep in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on ambient sounds.